Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're going to look at how I use AI to learn new skills 3 times faster. No courses needed and no BS. I don't use AI to replace your thinking. Remember, this is not going to do the job for you. If you think that AI is going to replace you doing actual work, this is not the video for you. But if you think that AI is a tool that can make things easier for you to be successful, strap in. I use AI to eliminate confusion. And if you've ever tried to learn a new skill and felt like you were drowning in information before you even started, well, this video is going to save you a ridiculous amount of time. I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to learn new skills faster, without courses, without mentors, and without wasting weeks going down the wrong path, and more importantly, money. This is not for people who want shortcuts. You still have to do the work. This is for people who are serious about learning something useful but don't have unlimited time, money, or patience. If that's you, stay with me. Here's the problem nobody talks about. Learning isn't slow because people are stupid or anything like that. It's slow because the starting point is unclear. You Google a skill and you get videos, blogs, opinions, frameworks, arguments, and ultimate guides that contradict each other. So instead of learning, you just stall. Decisions are paralysis. They kill more progress than laziness ever will. And that's the problem that AI solves for me. I don't ask AI to teach me everything. I ask it to act like a navigator. Think like a GPS, not like a professor. Its job is not to dump information on me. Its job is to tell me where to start, what matters, and what I can safely ignore for now. And that distinction to me is pretty much everything. Now, let me walk you through exactly how I do this. First, I tell the AI what skill I want to learn, and more importantly, why. Not just teach me this, but what I actually need the skill for. Something like I want to learn the skill because, well, enough to use it professionally. I have limited time and I need practical ability, not theory. Now, that immediately will change the output. Next, I ask it to break the skill down into its core components. Not tools, not resources, not links, just the parts of the skill that actually matter. This step alone saves days because now I'm not guessing what's important. I'm not looking at the anatomy of the skill. Then, when I ask a follow up question that most people never ask, for example, which of these components gives me the biggest return if I learn it first? Now, that's the 80/20. Now, instead of learning everything, I'm learning the right thing. From there, I go one component at a time. I'll ask AI to explain it in simple terms. Then I'll ask for real world examples. Then I'll ask it, actually, how can we use this in practice? And there's the key difference. I don't sit there consuming information. I'm immediately applying something, even if you think it's sloppy. Then I come back and ask, what did I miss? What should I improve on? And what's the next logical step after I have the core information? Now, that loop alone is what accelerates learning. Now, why is this so much faster? Well, this works because it removes false learning. Most people feel productive because they're watching videos or reading articles, but they're not actually progressing. This system forces clarity, focus, and action. You're not wandering, you're not overlearning, you're not waiting until you feel ready. You're actually building competence in layers. That's why it's faster. Now, I want to set realistic expectations. Let me be clear about something. AI does not make you an expert overnight in any subject. AI does not make you know things that you magically didn't know yesterday. If anyone says that to you and they prescribe this end all be all to AI? Well, right now, as of right now, they're lying. What it does do, it cuts out the confusion phase. Mind you, you still have to practice, you still have to struggle a little bit, and you still have to think. AI is great, but it's never going to replace you. Now, every hour you spend actually compounds instead of disappearing into the void. You're getting real turnaround with using this as a tool. This is where it gets interesting. How can you connect this to income? Well, skills are leverage, and learning new skills faster means that you can pivot faster, adapt faster, and stack abilities that actually pay. Right now, people are just using AI for entertainment. They're making Sora videos. They're chatting on ChatGPT and making it fight the Hulk instead of really seeing it as what it is, which is it's a really intelligent tool to make your work easy or easier. And that's what the next few videos on this channel are going to focus on. Just remember, it's a brand new system, a brand new channel, and we're working on these videos one at a time. So far, if this has been helpful for you, I've hopefully earned your subscription. Ask you, please subscribe, hit the comment button below. What do you want me to ask? Or how do you want me to show you how AI can help you in the future? If any way this is helping you guys out, let me know. Not because I'm an expert, but because I'm documenting this honestly, in real time, and everything on this channel builds on itself. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you being here. I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, thanks for joining me at Star Flag Media AI.